and this is the Shell station on my left, and I'm going to explain why I mentioned that. That's your reference point, the Shell station there, because down this road I'm going to show you how to move into lanes further down. If you remember the Shell station, that could be a reference point for you. I tell my learners I call it the Shell station road. It's actually Main Street if I'm correct. So I see that cop opening his door and I'm moving back. Ahead of me at the traffic lights there are going to be 2 lanes. You need to be in the left lane of the 2 lanes that are going straight ahead. So after this red car, I'm going to move to the left. If you're not sure, you can signal. So I'm checking my mirrors, just signal and then off the signal. And the white car, he's in the left lane, because if you look at the road markings, it says ahead only. At the next set of the traffic lights, there's going to be a yellow cone just after the traffic lights. You're going to check your mirrors, middle right, signal right, and move across into the right lane when it's safe, because ahead of me in this lane there's going to be traffic and cars parked up. So here's a yellow cone. I'm going to check my mirrors now, signal right. Doesn't matter if there's 10 cars next to me. You signal right, and the red car behind me has given me way. I'm moving across. Watch my speed, it's still a 30 zone. You do not want to be zooming down here. And I cannot see in front of me, the car in front of me, the maroon car, I cannot see. And if you see on the left hand side, there are cars parked up on the left hand side. So at those traffic lights, at the yellow cone, signal and move into the right lane. I know there were roadworks there. Usually there aren't roadworks there. So this black car, she's pulling up, so I'm just slowing down. And the next set of traffic lights, we want to be back in the left lane, unless the examiner tells you that at the roundabout you're turning right. So if you're turning right at the roundabout, you'll stay in the right lane. Because at the roundabout I'm going straight ahead, I want to move into the left lane at the next set of traffic lights whenever I can, because there's going to be a lot of cars parked up on the left hand side at these shops. So when it's safe for me, I will be moving into the left lane. You can check your mirrors and signal, that's not a problem, but don't do it too early, because the lady in front of me, she's parking up.
Yards,
so I don't want to give the impression that I'm parking up.
The second exit, A89,
so I've checked my mirrors, signal, and I'm off the signal. I'm in the left lane.